This is just a lovely quick video on Instagram Reels. Now, Instagram Reels are relatively new to Instagram. They are very new to me. I haven't added many in, but I have used Canva to create them. So you have, obviously, Instagram Reels are more video oriented. Having some animation on them works really well. And there are some fantastic ones where you have videos of people and they're pointing to words that tell a story throughout the reel. That is done within Instagram itself, but you can create the video in Canva. So I'm just going to go up here and type in Instagram Reels, and we shall see some of the templates you've got. So they're a basic story size, and they have videos within them. These are all templates that you can use, including the videos. Most of them have got videos within them, and you can just use one of these for your business, for your Instagram Reels. So there's a huge amount of templates already in Canva available for you to use. There'll be some story posts in here as well because they are the same size. But you can go through, have a look and decide if there is one in here that takes your fancy. But I'm just going to show you quickly a couple that I have created. This one has just got slight animation in the background. So I've basically added a photo, and I've added the photo into a grid so that it's stretched out nicely for me. I've added myself some text, and then under the text I've just added an animation. So this is just a little animated sun. And that is all I'm going to do for this one, just those three simple things. Because in your reel, you may want to add some additional text. You may want to add an Instagram sticker. There are various things you can add within Instagram. One thing you don't add are links, because it gives you the option to add in text with an Instagram reel. So you add in your links, or, check out my bio, your hashtags are all added in the text box at the end of the reel. So I would upload this one to Instagram. You can also do things like this. I have just added a grid. There are some amazing grids here. And they have some really great features on them. Like this one looks like a camera screen with the buttons on. There's this one that actually has a camera on it. It looks like a sideways camera, and you can add videos into these. I'm just going to delete that one, and I like this one, the white lines better. Just going to stretch it out so it fills my frame, and then I can go over to videos. I can add a video that I've uploaded to Canva, or I can add one of Canva's own videos. I'm going to just click this one of the beach, or of a boat coming in, and it puts it within the frame behind the white lines. So I could just upload this now if I wanted to, or I could add some text on top of this. So I could add some text along the bottom or up the top, but try to leave some space so the video can be seen and you can add your other information on it through Instagram Reels itself. This one is also a lovely frame, and I've left it off here. So we've got this jagged rip look because you can add your text at the bottom, and then you can add your video into the frame part there. So you've got your video here, but you've also got space here to add any text that you want, or to leave that clear for text that you want to add when you're uploading your reel. So it's as simple as that, really. It's basically a Facebook story, and you're adding a video or animation to it.
Okay, so what we need to do now is download our video. I'm going to click Save As and download it as an MP4 file. Okay, so save video. This may be slightly different if you're on Android, as I'm on iPhone. Then I'm going over to Instagram. So this is my Instagram account. At the top, I'm pressing the little cross, and I'm going to select Reel. Okay, bottom left hand corner is where my video is stored, but as you can see, you can also add some music, change the length, you can add different effects to it as well. I'm just going to do a basic post here. So I'm going to select my videos. This is the video I'm going to use. I'm going to click on add in the top corner. Then in the right hand side, there's a little arrow. I'm selecting that, and this is what my post will be. So I've got my video in the background, and at the top I can add music, I can add voiceovers, I can add stickers to it, I can add text to it, so I can write on top of it. This is where you can do all those other different benefits and features within Instagram. But I'm just going to go to share to, because I've created my post, I've created my text, I've got my animation. If I click share to, then you have the option here, fun in the sun, to then add in your hashtags, add in your information. Click OK, and then you can also share it to your feed, and it will crop the image for you, or you can not share it to your feed. It's entirely up to you. You can tag people if you want to, or you can just go to the bottom, share to Reels, or save as draft. Now I've clicked save as draft, and you can see there in my Reels, it's now got the word drafts highlighted over it. These are my other random Instagram Reels that I've created, but I'm showing you this one here on the left. We have it in my drafts. So I can select it now, and I can just go back to share to Reels, and it will share straight to my Reels for me. So that is it really, guys. That is how to add a Instagram Reel into your Instagram account.